Right, this is how easy it is to buy a chainsaw from Rob at Chainsaw Bars. Click onto that and look for accessories. Click. I'll take you into various options. We want to look at chainsaws today, but there's a quick look at all the different products they've got. Quick access to different categories. Click on chainsaws, top right, there we go. Click on the picture. So that's what they have in stock now. I'm looking at the Echo cs2511wes, which is a back handle version. Great little carving saw. Click on that and scroll down. You've got lots of different options here. It's basically, you can buy it as a package or you can buy it as body only and get your bar and chain separate. There's lots of options. You might as well just buy it as a complete unit. So you can see up at the top you've got it with a Panther bar set up. That's just the bar only. Now these are all quarter sprocket. You've got the options of 0.43 gauge or the standard 0.50 gauge. It's pretty clear what's there, to be honest. So you just have a look through there, decide which setup you prefer to run. So some of them are carbon bars, some of them are the Panther bars with the sprocket nose. You've got a choice of, I think there's an Echo, Canon and Sugihara carbon bars. You just decide what size bar you want, whether it's 0.43 gauge or 0.50 gauge, and you've got extra sprockets. I say all these from Chainsaw Bars come with a quarter sprocket. So when you're choosing your saw option, it comes in the post sort of a day or two later. I chose to go with the cs2511wes with a 12-inch Sugihara R7 tip, which is the 0.43 gauge. As you can see on this, it's got pretty big tank hole, so you shouldn't have any issues getting fuel oil nozzles in. This is the 12-inch Sugihara R7 tip. Like I say, you've got lots of different options there on what bar and what size bar you want. I think it works out cheaper if you buy it as a package rather than buying everything separate. But if you've got plenty of carbon bars and you just want the saw, then you've got the option to buy the saw body as it is.